Hi, and today we are going to build the number blocks 31 to 40. These are the real faces which I've made because now I know how they look like. I saw an image of the set 31 to 40 which released on March 19, 2026 in America, and it will come in other countries around the world up till November 26, 2026. Now let's start building them. First we need to build number block 31. We need 30 and 1. For 31, we need to build him in a 7x4 with 3 sticking out at the bottom shape. That is how we're going to build him. We have made this part, and now we are going to make the final part. This is the block shape, and now we need to glue on the face. This is number block 31. And let's build number block 32. For the shape, we need to twist and turn some blocks so there's an equal shape which we can build the block in. This is how we're going to build number block 32. First we're going to do this. Then we're going to put 3 down. Then we're going to put another 3 up. 3 up, 3 up, like that. Just 3 up. Keep doing that. Then it'll be nice and fine. Good. That's good. So now add the rest of the blocks on the top. After the 6th row, I'm going to have these. We're going to just fill it in like that. And you take 2 of these. We need to put them facing this way. It's your choice to put them one down or one right. It's your choice. I like to put them one down. And then put these 4 down. Just push them down. This is the block shape. And we need the face for number block 32, which is here. And this is number block 32. Now we will build number block 33. We need to take number block 32's face off. Take the 2 out from the middle and get the 3. For this, it's just very easy. Remove the block in the middle, keep going. Up and up, like a giant tower. Keep putting them up in a row of 3 until you've used all of them, the yellow blocks. These are the real faces, but I drew them myself. It's not like 30 when, you see, we just close like that. You actually add another block. Now we need to glue on the 2 faces for number block 33. There are 2 faces. One face will go here, and the second football badge will go to the side. And this is number block 33. These are two shades of yellow, light yellow and bright yellow, because 3 is yellow itself. Let's build the next one, 34. Number block 34 has quite a tricky shape to build, like this. Then you go forward, and then you need to go like this. Then you need to go up again. This is how you'll start building it. Then you're going to go make this a 5. Push some of these down. That's 18 blocks to use right now. We're just gonna keep on stacking 4s. But some of these we are going to turn then. This one we will turn, and this one we will turn. And then we will join these two pieces together. Now we need Numberblocks 34's face and his hat. This is number block 34. Now we are going to build number block 35. For this one, like number block 34, there's a tricky shape problem when you are building it. So I always go to the easy side like this, instead of 3 and 2 at the end. I just go double, double, single, double, single, double, like that. We are going to go 6 blocks in each column for the yellows, and then add a 7th row for the final column. Now, when you've got this part, you're going to put on the last 2 yellow blocks. These 5 blocks we're going to hold. We're going to put them on like this. Seven times 5 is 35. We need his flowers. And the face. And this is number block 35. 7 blocks by 5 blocks. 35. Let's build number block 36. You need to take the 5 off, replace it for a 6 here. Now, this is the part. You can choose. Your choice. You just need a pick from step, squad, or square. I would choose step squad because I like the shape and it's also more stable. If you build the square, these 6 will be hanging around at the top. So, I will choose the step squad shape. And the blocks position, you just know where to put the blocks. If you put this one here, then you know this one will not be a double, this one will be a single. Then you go here, then you go here, then you go here. And on the 5th block, you'll go up. So, let's start building. At this part, we are just gonna keep going like this. But the thing is, you're only gonna go like that. Do you know why? Because 36 is not equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. 36 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Not plus 9 as well. Then you need to put these blocks down. You need to put the double stud block on the first one here by joining it to this. And here is where this starts. 1, 2, 3. And now we need to put the face. And this is Numberblock 36. This is Numberblock 36. We build Numberblock 37, which is very easy. You just need to add a few blocks. 30 and add 7 at the top. So like it's just the same as building 30. You know? Numberblock 30, very easy block. First do this. Now up and up and up with yellow blocks, like we did with 33. Just keep going as high as you can with these yellow blocks in towers of 3. Just go like that. Up. That'll bring us to a tower of 24 right now. We've got 22 yellow blocks. Now we need 7. And now we need 7 rainbow colored blocks for 7. This is how we will build her. This is the block shape. Now we need to add the face. The face is right at the top, just 1 block lower. And her propeller hat, which is also called Hattie. And this is Numberblock 37. Now we need to build Numberblock 38. It's quite easy, just like 37. Like we did with 33, we're going to do the same with Numberblock 32's method. So, up we go. Up, 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 up. We're gonna do this. How high can we go? We need to try and make 40. So that's okay, good. We're going good. We're going on the good path right now. Turn. Turn. That's good. Now we just need to leave a few more spaces, which we can put the rest of our blocks in. And now we need to just put these in, just flip, because we need to. Now we need to put on the face for Numberblock 38. And here's Numberblock 38. 8. It was my 8th birthday yesterday. And spring has started. Look outside. But welcome to spring. Now we need to build Numberblock 39. Numberblock 39 is just the same thing like Numberblock 37. The same thing we did for Numberblock 37, Just imagine, Numberblock 37 is Numberblock 39. Take it easy like that. Numberblock 37, which is the same as Numberblock 39 right now. You've got the same steps, same thing. But the 7 at the top will just be changed to 9 at the top. And now, you need to know this part. This is how we build him. We're going to take one of these, and one of these here. 3 different shades and put them at the top. Three different shades. Over here. And 3 different shades right over here. I just need to add the face. And this is a fact. Numberblock 39 so far is the only number block with a nose. And here's Numberblock 39 with the nose, because it's important. Now I need to build Numberblock 40. I don't have green blocks, so I'll use this paper and just stick 39's blocks onto here. It's not only the perfection which makes things better. Having fun is the key. If you're having fun, that's great. So, like this. 39 and 1. That's 40. So you just need to glue this paper on them. Actually, we need 40 green blocks. But I don't have 40 green blocks. So I will use 1 green paper and 40 blocks. Not the face plates. And this is Numberblock 40. I hope you like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time for more fun and educational Numberblocks learning videos. Bye!